guys, so today I'm going to tell you about the circulatory system. So the heart is a muscle that pumps blood, and also we have two tubes. The first one is the veins and the second one is the arteries. The veins takes blood to the heart, and then the arteries takes the blood to all our body parts. Then we have four particles in our body. The first one is the platelets. The platelets, for example, like when a part of our body is injured or like is bleeding, and the platelets tell the cell to go fix it. The second particle we have in our body is the hemoglobin. The hemoglobin makes the blood red. The third one is the white blood cell. The white blood cell protects our body from like sickness and viruses. The last one is the red blood cell. The red blood cell takes oxygen to the heart. And then we have four chambers. The first one is the right atrium. The second is left atrium. The second one is the right vertical. And the last one is the left vertical. And the last thing about is the trachea. The trachea, like when we breathe, the air goes down in the trachea and into our lungs. And when we cough, it's because there's like carbon dioxide in the lungs.